Everyone, please switch on your videos.
Okay, everyone will start. We are going to start the debate session now. So, the topic for the debate is online education. Okay, some of you will be speaking for the topic, some of you will be speaking against the topic, right? You will be getting 30 seconds each to speak on the topic, and accordingly, we'll be taking the decision, right? So, we'll just start. I'll give you chance one by one. It is not going to be a debate. Okay. So Rajiv, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am in favor of online
You're
classes,
not
ma'am.
audible, Rajiv.
Am I audible, ma'am? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Rajiv, you're not audible to me. Everybody, can you hear me? Hear Rajiv?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear Rajiv.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, there is the issue with me then. Okay, start Rajiv.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible.
Ma'am, I am in favor of online classes, ma'am. Online classes,
Okay.
ma'am. Online classes is much better from offline classes because in online classes we have opportunities to study from best faculty sitting at our home, ma'am. And other point is in online classes, student under the guidance of the parents can guide the students classes regularly.
Okay, thank you, Rajiv.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next Shubham Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I also
Can I leave
prefer
the
the
class,
online
ma'am?
classes, online studies because if, as we are saying at the time of pandemic, the online classes are very much progress in all the tech sectors. So according to me, online classes is also very important because they are
Okay,
providing the proper
thank you,
guidelines for the
Shubham.
students.
Thank you. Uh, Next we have Mukul Kumar. Do not put off your cameras, anybody. Put on your cameras till you are in the meet. Yes, Mukul.
Yes, ma'am, I'm in favor of online classes because now this is stage of online classes and online things. So better is virtual right now, and I think online classes is better than just like offline classes because if someone is busy in
Okay,
another
thank you,
city.
Mukul.
Okay, ma'am,
Next,
thank you.
Himanshu Tyagi. Himanshu Tyagi.
Hello.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Himanshu.
One of the most of used term after the pandemic in the term new normal. The normal is in education in the increased use of online learning tools. And
Thank you, Himanshu.
Okay.
Next, Priyanshu Yadav.
Not, I'm not saying that online classes is
Your voice is not clear.
not clear, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that online classes are bad or not a learning platform, but whatever the facilities that we are getting in an online classes, that is very good. And if I say that offline classes is that is a decorum that we can maintain.
Okay,
In
thank you.
online
Thank you,
classes, yeah,
Priyanshu.
ma'am.
Okay, Rahul Sharma.
Ma'am, online teaching is an adaptable, instructive convenience that and that helps many types like students can save his
Okay,
time.
thank you. Thank you, Rahul. Uh, Mayush Sarkar. Yeah, Mayuk, you are not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go with the online classes because in online classes you have the flexibility that you can have your classes from anywhere. You can have the flexibility about your timings and all. You can access the good amount of teacher who are basically from IITs and NIITs.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, next, Alicia Khan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start. Alicia Khan, please start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, as I also prefer online classes just because it encourages students and like they can actively participate like
Okay.
in a traditional
Okay, thank you,
classroom
Alicia.
manner.
Thank you. Rohit Rawat.
Hello,
Yes, Rohit.
hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Speaking on in taking online class, we cannot ignore that fact that many students might not have access to the internet, and India is a diverse nation, so a group of people will be having trouble. But at the same time,
Okay, thank you, Rohit.
you have to realize that.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mahendra Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Online education is a most important part of today, and we can gain knowledge from anywhere and at every place. It was very difficult before some years, but today it is very easy.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mahendra. Shubham is done. Priyanshu Kumar.
Uh, Online classes are convenient, flexible, as well as it brings education right to home. It promotes lifelong lesson. Also, it has certain benefits for parents like financial benefits and health benefits for children, for students, like
Okay,
they get.
thank you. Thank you, Priyanshu.
Okay.
Vidush Ved.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, my name is Vidush and I'm going to speak for the topic.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, online education is very important in, you can say, in the pandemic period. Pandemic period gave it a boom. as we see before pandemic, we don't know any term about online classes, but it all around the world, except in our country, or you can say in our countries like us. But online classes are very important. As you can see, you can connect with the teachers all around the
Okay, thank
world.
you, Vedu.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Next we have Mera Bharat Mahan. Is it your name? Mera Bharat Mahan. This is your name. Okay. Rahul Sharma. You're done? Not yet, right?
Ma'am, actually, I'm done.
Ah, you're done. Yes, yes. Anu. Anu Raj Vanshi.
Hello, yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. It's me, Anamika Saini.
You have to put your camera on.
Just hold a second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Anamika, please start for the debate.
Ma'am, can you tell me what's the topic? I recently joined. That's why I didn't know what's the topic.
Online education. Please put your camera on while speaking.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, yes.
It's online education. You can speak for or against. Please start.
Hello.
You're taking a lot of time, Anamika. You're wasting my
Hello.
time.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, some network issue. That's why.
So you can join in another debate. Uh, okay. Who's left? Everybody's done, right? Nobody's left.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, done.
So Mera Bharat Mahan is left. Are you going to speak or shall I remove you from the meet?
So, actually, I'm going to technical issue, therefore I'm not able to speak. Could you please repeat again what did you say?
Were you present in the meet from start or not?
No, ma'am. I joined lately because of network issue.
You have to put your camera on for speaking. If you can speak. Otherwise, it's not a problem.
Okay, ma'am. I'm gonna put my camera on.
Yeah. To start online education.
Ma'am, if we talk about online education, then we can understand that nowadays online education is too much essential and important because whatever we are doing online only.
कोई नहीं बचा आप तो लोग हैं एक सेकेंड को देखो ओ भैया मैम चली गई है
Yes, ma'am.